Hi everyone. So coming to my introduction, myself Karthik. I have an experience on a 9.4 years on experience on overall IT and industries. So I'm very excited to work on this a project. The project name is like a DataMind, and especially so thanks to the team who has helped me to prepare that content, everything else. So I'm going to present that the project name is like a DataMind AI. It's like a agentic platform for end-to-end business data intelligence. And before narrating to that, I want to say that let's take in a framework uh, to major enterprise like a ITC company who are leveraging the retail or e-commerce domain case. So I'm presenting the next slide. It's like the BI from BS chats. So business generates a data faster. They can prepare, but nowadays we are getting like a raw files, a different type of a raw files like a JSON format, CSV files, and unstructured data. So most of the situation we are facing it out like a engineering bottleneck to build out that business solution. So the exact problem is that most of the people cannot answer that they are stuck on that cleaning of a data, and it become like a typical insights around to take away the data from traditional BI assumes to that perfectly model it out. So I will relate with one example, like if I take an ITC which we used to get like a retail project whatever, and they are facing this type of situation, challenging situation, preparing that chain logs, FMNG sales spreadsheet, agree business reports, and these type of data they are getting as like a raw message files like CSV file, JSON. So as an IT and ITC analyst, like suppose like example like Priya, who are stuck in the engineering at a bottleneck, spending a lot of days cleaning the data manually instead of making a decision. So we are introducing that as a data minded target is that just from days to convert into the minutes, and this is a one of the end goal. So we want to prep all the to make inside loop from days to minutes. So so going to the next slide, this is our vision. Any data, any domain, any market, it will be cleansed, it will be aligned, and it will answer. Like we have four pillars like domain awareness, uh, any type of one agent is adaptive for vocabulary, KPIs to the user, specific users, and second is a format agnostic, like multiple files like CSV files, JSON, paraquet files, infer the schema and propose that it merge it out everything. So if I tell that, if I relating with the Priya case, like Priya drops multiple raw files exports from ITC distribution network to the platform. So this system is like will make like a format agnostic, automatically inferring that schema and proposing how to merge disparate files. And later at a domain awareness, one day Priya select that retail and e-commerce and tells that domain prompt will say that hey system, it adapts like a ITC industry specific logic focusing on KPIs, skew, margins, average order value. So we are mainly targeting on that personalized and the strict dual AI. The primary users, the Priya and the analyst, who goal that there is a goal like the upload raw files on Monday. They need to get it out like KPI files, KPI dashboards without writing any Python or waiting for engineers. But our tenant agent, the operator, manage users, route that LLM calls cost effectively, and edit the domain packs and monitor the tamper proof audit logs. And it's mainly we give that to RBAC means role based access control. So the competitive landscape matrix is nowadays traditional BI. They are getting an audit trail and governance, no code dashboard and reusable pipelines. But our data mind is taking all entire one. Uh, from raw layer to reusable pipelines, everything will be taken care. And this is the platform which merge automated preparations, analysis, and make a decision support into one governed workflow for the SMB. So this is our end-to-end glass box pipeline, like starting ingest the data, propose the cleansing method, validate, merge schema, and analyze the root. Agent only will take in care where need to map that data type, which data types, like is it like an integer, is it like a string, everything is to taken care by the agent. And it will confirm that intent analysis strategies to the respective user. Then it will go to the step 4 like a visualize. It will prepare a beautiful dashboard, and also give that a domain or narrative summary also it will be given out. So human in the loop mechanics, zero silent mutation, where every transfer is proposed, and so every step you need to have a like a approval. Action 1 standardized date, action 2 any correct city names. If any Hyderabad you mentioned it out Hyderabad, so it will automatically correct that as per that location wise as per that current name. So once upon a time you have a Bangalore, nowadays they change it as like a Bengaluru. So these are the our agent only we will taken care of this misbuild of city names. And also it will fill some it will check the action of filling missing values, any you have missed it out. It will give that scorecard, like it will make like a categorized like high confidence, medium confidence, low confidence, and very low. So as you see on the screen, so the overall system architecture is like one raw column, it will go to that ingestion, and it will make a two paths, like one is for numeric structured, another path is a textual is which will have a semantic. So the basic rule uh, here is that the data root automatically detect the data types, coordinate distance, string length, and it doesn't make hallucinations on this agent. So we have a four layer stacks. I'm telling in higher level. Like layer one is raw, layer two is curated, layer three is a structured, and layer four is a semantic. So raw we use like a platform like a Superbase or S3, and it's a unmodified and immutable or original files. And layer two is like a paraquet file, the cleanest format, and proper columnar snapshots. And layer 3 it's like a structured format, we are using like a Postgres, host numeric of data for fast and better analytical SQL queries. And level 4 we host a better embeddings for free text columns. So domain prompt, like usually you give your own prompt. If it is uh, under our agent will understand which type of a data, is it a finance, is it a e-commerce or healthcare or marketing, everything will be taken care by the DataMind core. And it will we have defined the KPI formulas, validation rules, and chart preference. So everything we have mentioned over here. So our agent like select their own industry wise, and every downstream agent adopts their own domain logic. Like suppose if marketing I selected like a ITC company, they're looking for channel attribution, how much sales it happened, how much revenue got generated, and how much the location wise, how much we is it Hyderabad, how much location, the number of sales, how much it completed of a particular product. Like let's take a sun biscuits. So overall India, across the region, every city, every district, wherever, everything will be capturing it out. So our scope of execution of a time is like we have two phases. One is for MVP, it will take like 30 days minimum, and phase 2 is a scale and monetize. The focus is more on end to end. We need to complete it out. So we categorize it of phase 1 like focusing, proving end to end glass box loop features like a CSV, JSON, or 4 domains, cleaning methods, dual AI and internal beta. And scale 2 is like a PDF XML support, and PII detection layer, public reset REST API, Stripe, billing live. Everything will be completed in these two phases itself. The paradigm shift. So raw data. So from raw data, uh, we are sending all unstructured of a data. We will receive it as like CSV files, or logs, and raw data, and it will go into that our data AI pipeline, like categorize like human gate, checkpoints, verify, audit trials. It will divide all the categorized and it will publish the reports. So our main theme is like any data, any domain, clean, auditable, and intent aligned inside out. So the traditional BI begins after data is clean. DataMind is the first platform to reach the data preparation, analysis, decision supports as continuous, transparent, agent-driven workflows. So if I relate that on this slide, like so one of the analysis of ITC, they continuously be transformed. ITC moved from being rich of data insights poor to having a decision ready intelligence, the speed of business. So thank you so much, and thank you team who have helped me a lot. And yes, together we build. Our main motto is that together we build together and give us smarter decisions. Thank you everyone.